Did you know that penguins can live between 25 and 30 years, making them one of the longest living animals in extreme cold? Despite temperatures that can drop to unbearable levels, they withstand winds that would knock down any other creature and travel long distances to feed their chick, which can still recognize their voice among thousands. And even though they live in massive colonies, each pair maintains such a strong bond that they always find each other through their unique call. If you enjoy these facts, my channel has the full video about the animals that live the longest in the world.